Hey, welcome to Math from Inside. Today we try to show that if we have the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 with a greater than 0, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So the first thing we have to do is multiply the left side and the right side of our equation by 1 divided by a to make sure that the coefficient at x squared is 1. So we have 1 divided by a x squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, because 0 multiplied by 1 divided by a is 0. So what does this is equivalent to what? This is equivalent to x squared plus b divided by a x plus c divided by a equal to 0. Now, what does that mean? What we can do is that we can isolate c divided by a. If we do that, we'll have x squared plus b divided by ax equal to minus or negative c divided by a. Now, here we have to ask ourselves, what is the constant for which adding into the binomial x squared plus b divided by ax give us a perfect square? And that binomial is, that constant is b divided by 2a all square. So we get, this is equivalent to x squared plus b divided by a x plus b divided by 2a all square equal to minus c divided by a plus b divided by 2a square. So what we did is that we added that constant to the left, and we also have to add to make sure that the equality stay 2. Okay. Now, what is this expression? This expression is x plus b divided by 2a all square. And what is the other one? The other one is b squared divided by 4a square minus c divided by a. We can also write this expression as, we can also write this one as b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. In fact, why we can write it this way is because to make sure that these two expressions have the same denominator, we can multiply here by 4a and multiply also up by 4a. And if you multiply up by 4a, we have 4ac. All right. So now it's easy now for us to apply one of the methods that we saw. If we go to the previous video, we saw how to apply the square root method, and that's how we do. So here we can say that this equation will be equivalent to absolute value of x plus b divided by 2a equal to square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. But here we can actually remove 4a squared out of the root, and that will give us 2a. We can remove it also because we can say that it's 2a because a is strictly positive. So we have b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, this expression is equivalent to what? This equation is equivalent to x plus b divided by 2a equal to, since it's an absolute value, it can be negative or positive value. So that will be plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is equivalent to what? This is equivalent to x. If we put b divided by 2a to the other side, that will give us x equal to minus b divided by 2a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac 2a divided by 2a. Now, since these two expressions have the same denominator, we can also write it this way. It can also be written this way. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And we have shown that actually if you have such quadratic equation, ax plus bx plus c equal to 0 with a strictly positive, then x will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now let us apply this formula to this equation, to x squared plus b plus 4x equal to minus 1. Now the first thing we have to do is actually make sure that this equation is in the this equation have the same form as this one. So to do that, you have to make sure that minus 1 come to the other side, and when minus 1 come to the other side, it will be plus. So this equation, so we can say 2x squared plus 4x equal to minus 1 is equivalent to 2x squared plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now, what is ABC here? My A is 2, my B is 4, and C is 1. Therefore, x will be equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of b squared, that's 4 squared, that's 16, minus 4a is 2, and c is 1, and all divided by 2a. So 2 divided by 2, that's 4. So we'll have then minus 4, 16 minus 4 times 2 times 1 is 16 minus 8. That will give us square root of 8. And square root of 8 is what? Square root of 8 is 2 square root of 2. So this is what we get. You get minus 4 plus or minus 2 square root of 2 divided by 4. So if you have to simplify all this by 2, we'll get minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 divided by 2. So it means that we can write the solution as such: s equal to minus 2 minus square root of 2 divided by 2 and minus 2 plus square root of 2 divided by 2. And that's how we did to apply the square root formula to this equation. So let us know in the comment below how you like what we did, if there are other methods, there are other ways to do it. And until then, see you.